Yo, what is up, everybody? We are back for more Hell's Paradise. We're all gonna burn. Yo, the plan failed, bruh. The plan absolutely failed.
Did it though?
It did fail.
So we gotta fight.
The plan was to not fight, and now y'all about to get y'all ass beat.
But did it though?
Bro said, "Oh man, cool. You guys are hiding your presence also. Surprise!"
But now we need our ally. We need the brother's brother.
Can you imagine
to help us?
slowly opening the door and then the gun just that's basically what happened to because he's staring in the house like ain't nobody in there like, oh, we good. And he's
like, "No, I'm right here.
Nigga, I'm right here in front of you."
So let's see what happens. The pop off begins. We're gonna jump right into episode 19.
天仙様には絶対に快適するな。すればこの計画は失敗。ガビマル。終わりだ。
終わりって実際快適したらどうするのですか？ただ逃げるだけですか？
ほう。That wind come from indoors?
Nigga, they're literally inside. Where the AC? The
あとは量を用意するだけ。より多く、より質のいい材料。
You know what I had to do
そのために
to figure out the perfect elixir?
壁地復唱の際を始めたのです。姉上は兄上の本当の苦悩をまだ知らない。でも今ならきっと分かり合える。
もう一度だけ会いたい。リエと宗師、みんなに会いに来た。お別れ言いに来た。私は島を出る。
She's like, yeah, no, you about to piss him off.
仕方ない。先に済ませましょう。
Yeah,
Nigga, what?
Nigga, oh,
Alright.
I looked way
That,
too
both
fast
of those
after
objects together look fucking crazy.
あなたたちです。例えばガビマル、君のタオはグイファの金には有利だが、もしも相手が水の乱ならば窮地だ。相手に触れれば君の火のタオは弱まり、丹田を破壊しても致命傷にはならない。総国のタオは土のお主だけだ。
カビマル、ここ違う。練炭球じゃない。戦薬ない。
何？
Oh, he's like, yeah, y'all talking too much.
Yeah. Oh.
Nigga, oh. What in the fucking like Dragon Ball Z but butter?
ここは練炭球ではありません。
What is this
What
position?
is his feet?
Yo, they're folded over, yeah.
Question for you.
Yeah.
After this.
タオのタオをしっかり確認したはず。
Oh, so they manipulated it to make it look like.
形を命じるだけ。
メイトン、
少しおとなしくしていてください。ここで決着をつけるしか。
ガビマル。
譲りは例の策で行くぞ。お、素晴らしい肉体のやつ。
Yo,
Such a lively
light one.
flash.
となればこちらが本命ですか。
なんで？総国なのに。
Did it just bounced off?
Yeah.
Oh shit.
やはり攻撃を防ぐだけでも重い。硬質なタオの鎧を全身にまとってるんだ。
Damn, all kinds of shit that you did to account for.
無意味です。
Brother.
Now he's just
Why
flexing.
you just doing all these poses?
But guys, he's
flexing on
letting
them.
him know that you're not
You're
gonna
literally
beat
gonna
me.
get your ass beat.
But then you had to put your ankles around your head.
Yup.
Like,
Yes.
今のうちに外しましょう。
Oh no, you can't move. Oh boy.
忍法怒りつぶて。
Ow.
Damn, he kicked them shits right back.
Yeah, y'all gonna lose.
Where's our backup?
Fighting other Tencent.
No, I meant the other backup that arrived at the island.
あ
始めるぞ、ゆずりは。
Let's begin.
何度やっても同じです
You gotta transfer that ish.
Nigga,
what just happened? Bitch, what?
put the diagram up and explain what happened.
He's like,
Yeah, because
what?
he's like, what the
Yeah, he don't
fuck?
know.
Yeah, that.
1の手は確認できたついで2の手だ
Oh. He on the ground. Oh, the second one? Jesus
Is that
Christ.
the thing where they were talking about when he fights without his
では全員の名を教えろ霊符を使い今を見るいがみの慶安山田朝右衛門騎手生存機能
That's how they picked who would go where, so they could counter them.
体側級にて従人
So wait, they did what? Was this a manipulation jutsu?
No, he was basically seeing their status and analyzing what their Tao is and all of that. Yeah, they knew all their attributes and everything before they went to where they was going.
だが強い怒りを感じる
Yeah, Riku.
長兵衛が弟をこちらに引き込む
That's not
た
happening.
やすいはず
Ah, the diagram.
属性
Thank
と
you.
は流れの方向の違いで創生とは相手の流れを後押しする水流創生による加速も総国による反発もないよううまく相手の水流に乗りそのまま返す
So he turned his own Tao on
大
him.
家系や天使系と呼ぶものに近い相手のタオを利用するのはヌルガイトの国極限まで薄めるのは譲り派から部分的に操る術はシオンから中道の心で相手の攻撃を受け流すその術はかつてサギリ
What in the Asura's
お
wrath?
主から学んだものだ
今までの総決算ですね。
ああ持ち得る全てをぶつける
Damn,
そうですね
he been fucking him up.
よく見れば他を練り始めたのは島に来てからと分かります
Dude.
それなのにここまでの技術
There's a chunk
この
gone from
島
your
に
arm.
漂う濃いタオに当てられ開眼するも
Like he can
の
just heal.
タ
Yeah.
オの存在に目覚める人間は多い
Hey, congratulations, bro.
そうすることが島の目的でもあるのですがそれだけでは説明できない適応力
才能だと
Come on, bro, join us.
これはそんなもんじゃない
Me turning on y'all immediately.
考え出した苦肉の策払ってきた多くの犠牲の中から人間が見つけ出したものの結集だ全てお前たちを殺すためのなそれを差し置いて才能なんて
God, she just got
That's
her
the
foot
I'm
up.
like, fuck.
You could have did that forever ago.
おとなしくしていなさい待って
Yeah, everybody's
Yeah,
fighting.
wait.
私のタオを利用するつもりかならば逆に弱めて
And that's where you fucked up.
Yep, because her.
And that's
she
where you
threw
fucked
the
up.
kunai,
Oh,
Because he
shit.
weakened it, and yep,
the hindering
you're cooked.
woman.
Not the pose. Get fucking farmed on. Yo. Because he just said if he weakens it
Yeah.
and you take a hit, you're taking mad damage. So yeah, your
Yeah.
titties brushed.
Oh. Oh, phase 2.
Nigga. Yeah.
残念ですがこれは儀式遊んでいる暇はない
Ah, Plant Man.
Oh, I died 30 times. Finally got up to phase 2.
No, not Plant Man.
Ew, what is that?
Plant something.
Look at the one boob on the other side.
Yep, it's the boo. Yeah, it's the boo. Whatever.
Oh, ew.
It's my
Look like
mouth
a
pussy.
baby. Look like a
It's a mouth butt. Butt mouth.
仕返し
Oh, nah, this is an issue.
うまくさばけるか
Bruh, is that both the male form and the female
Yes.
form combined? I'm
Yeah,
done.
because that's why I said one side has a boob.
Oh,
Oh,
I'm injured.
Oh, shit.
I know y'all heard that.
Her face. Oh,
Nigga.
her face was like, no, he won't. Oh my gosh.
Ah, shit.
You slammed me on the
こっちの
ground?
体力を測って 問題もあるぞ。タオは生命そのものでもある。大怪我のまま扱えば逆に命を縮めるかもしれない。
Yo, look at the freaking pose. It's like each
yeah.
hand is
What
doing
is
something
that?
different.
That's so crazy. Nigga, you still rocking me?
Nah, that's not what that was.
だから相手とのタオの相性によっては。
Oh, she grabbed him to protect him. Oh, gotta get out of here.
Smart.
But that was out of character for her to
Yeah,
grab him
because she said,
with
I
those.
only protect
Normally she
myself.
would've ran.
Yeah, she said she was literally saying, I only protect myself.
Fucking re-animal ass.
Oh, he blocked it.
Nigga, how'd you block
Yeah, 'cause
that?
that was almost it.
He's showing you how he blocked it.
Nigga, that's half of me. Alright.
He's like, yeah, I gotta kill you. I can't keep you alive to use you.
Nigga, his hand is inside of his torso.
わしの目的は生きて帰ること。
Think about the transform.
Yeah.
生きて妻に会うこと。
Shut the fuck up.
Yo.
You're dumb. Why?
Yo.
See my wife.
Bro, so he chopped him, his hand was in his torso, and then he grabbed him
Inside him?
And they threw him against the wall. It's disrespectful.
Yo, they were getting mopped up just now. My goodness.
So they definitely should make like a Souls-like game
With these niggas? Yeah.
Actually, this would be a perfect Souls
Yeah.
like Hell's Paradise.
Actually, yeah.
because it was gross. Like all them games.
The enemies, yeah.
They look like the.
This game would
Yo.
actually be a perfect Souls like. Yeah, I agree.
Get the fuck out of here. What do you mean? What do you mean, yo? What do you mean? All right, enough. I'm gonna just transform. He said, all right, I got time to fuck around.
Yeah, these are freaking Orphan of Cause level bosses in the show.
Yeah, so Gabiru gonna transform or something.
Something gonna happen.
I think him being like unconscious, he's gonna go back into that mode he was in when he was fighting
But
the brother.
like the top half of him is like that.
Well,
Yeah, he gotta.
It's like split.
he's
Yeah.
probably gonna be covered in his own flames. Or
Nah,
I don't know.
he gonna.
Let's see.
He's probably gonna turn into these motherfuckers. I feel like they're building up to
Turning
that.
into a
Because the way he understands like the Tao and all that and how it works and shit. Like I feel like they're building up
I
to
am a
him.
Tenzin.
Yeah, literally.
Somehow.
Well,
I guess we'll
see.
find out. But that is it for the episode of Hell's Paradise. And on to the next. As always, like, subscribe, follow on all social media. Subscribe, show them
What's
signs.
going on? Subscribe.
Anyway.
Check out the merch link to that down below. But that's all we got for you guys today. Hope you have a great day. We'll catch you guys next time.
Peace.